What's up internet? Steemy Coinz here once again. Thanks for checking out the video. Alright guys, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe to these videos. I try to put one out every day. Just updating you guys as to what's going on across the cryptocurrency space and just documenting my own investment journey. Alright guys, so what you're seeing is the BitTorrent token versus the Tron token, BTT and TRX. Alright guys, so I've been trading this for a while. It has been very profitable for me overall, but today I made a big mistake. Alright, so I let my emotions take control, my frustration, and you know, when I should have walked away from the trade, I didn't. I put on the trade. So let me just explain. So I've been collecting this coin for a while. All right, the reason because of what they are trying to do, right? So they're basically decentralizing file sharing. Well, no, I shouldn't say decentralizing because that's basically been already been done, but monetizing file sharing. So remember BitTorrent, like, you know, uTorrent, BearShare, and it all started from the whole Napster. Napster really invented file sharing, and then it got decentralized. There's BitTorrent, so there's no BitTorrent company that you can just take down. Same concept behind cryptocurrencies. So basically Tron purchased BitTorrent, right? So Tron owns BitTorrent, and this is the BitTorrent token. So they are about to release a software that will allow anyone to earn BitTorrent tokens by just seeding files. So the more files you seed, the more tokens you earn, because people are gonna pay you to, you know, get those files. All right. So anyways, the BitTorrent token. So I've been traded it successfully, very successfully. But if you zoom in right here, I collected all this time. It was consolidating. I traded up, made some good profits, and I sold right here. Basically a perfect trade, right? I saw that the market was getting weak. It was consolidating. If you look closely right here, you notice the buy and sells are like almost even, right? And then you see that the buy is getting weaker, and then the sells are still remaining strong, and you just see it, and you see that it was about to spill over, and it wasn't shooting out. Look at these. So you know there's some heavy buying coming in, and you know when you see these heavy buys coming in, you know these guys are gonna want to take some profit. So then came the bears. All right, so I sold right around here. Anyways, I watched it go down, and for whatever reason, I took this little movement right here as consolidation, like not consolidation, as confirmation that it was gonna go up. So I jumped in. It was just a bad move. I was having a bad day. My emotion was all over the place because I had lost some Tron, doing some other activity on the blockchain. I was like trying to study this DApp because I am trying to create a DApp. Well, I am creating a DApp. So I spent some Tron trying to, you know, get into the game, understand it. I ended up losing some, and I was just, you know, my emotions were, I wasn't crying or anything. Don't get it wrong. Don't get it twisted. But what I'm saying is my mental state wasn't the best. You know, so that's the time when you really need to step away from the computer. Don't try to trade when you are, you know, feeling down about money, basically. So anyways, I broke that rule because basically what I should have done, or what I usually do, let me show you my process. So what I usually do is I figure out where I expect the support to be, right? Let me get that. Click. Okay, there it is. Yeah, so I try to figure out where the support is gonna be. So I estimate that it would be probably around here, right? Yeah, maybe right there. And what I would usually do once it hits support and it establishes support, it's gonna consolidate and it's gonna go sideways for a while. All right, hardly after a pull up you ever see it just go straight back up. That's very rare. But yeah. So for whatever reason, I decided to take the trade. Because I wanted to do some other stuff. Justin Sun was supposed to make an announcement today on Twitter, so I was wondering how that would affect the price of Tron. I was thinking people might sell their BitTorrent token to get into Tron, and then from Tron to Bitcoin or Tron to US dollar, whatever. I figured that might be a scenario that could possibly play out. So I didn't want to make any moves until I heard some kind of news from his big announcement today. But the announcement came out and it really didn't have anything directly to do with BitTorrent token or Tron directly. So, nothing actually happened. But at the time, I didn't want to stay at the computer. I didn't want to watch. I had some other things I wanted to take care of. And I just wanted to make my move and just, get on with my day. But there's a saying in trading that you make the most money when you're sitting on the sidelines. Alright? That's when you make the most money. Not in the middle of the trade, not when you're in the trade. It's when you're waiting is when the money is made. So I should have really waited until this comes back, come down some more. Alright, even though at the moment I'm really not that much in the loss, because my purchase was maybe just a little bit above where it is right now. But still, this is not my trade setup. This is not how I trade. Alright, but lesson learned. Next time I know when I recognize I'm in a certain state of mind, I need to recognize that and just walk away. But yeah, so that's what happened today. Alright, so let's just take a look at the Tron price. Tron looking awesome. I think Tron is like performing, well, I don't want to say the best, but it's actually the best one that I've seen today. I took a look at a couple others and everything's basically going sideways in comparison to Bitcoin. Alright, so this is a Tron BTC, looking good. We're going up. It's a 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Alright, so it looks like we completed the consolidation and we're going up again. So yeah, looking good. And we crossed the 34 line, the moving average, crossed the 13-day moving average, crossed over the 34-day moving average. And that's usually a very bullish signal. So that's looking great. Also, let's zoom out a bit to the weekly. Weekly looking healthy so far. A little bit more. If we go up a little bit more, this candle will turn green. But yeah, generally looking good. Let's see what else. LTC, BTC. So this is the Litecoin versus Bitcoin. Not bad. Looking very healthy. We'll just have to see what it does. But let's just take a look at Bitcoin USD. Alright, so yeah, so like I said, we have a pullback. Pretty good actually. I'm liking the way this is the weekly chart. I'm liking the way this is looking. Hope it doesn't pull back too much more though, but yeah, this is definitely what you want to see. So we've had 3 weeks, 3, 4, 5. It's been that long. Wow. 5 weeks, and we're in the 6th week of Bitcoin increase in prices. Yeah, we definitely need a pullback. So just looking at this, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a pullback to. Let's see. That's a very large gain. There's a lot of buyers went in on that. I wouldn't be surprised if we pull back to 7,200. It's gonna freak a lot of people out though, I can tell you that much. But if you look at the weekly chart, it's not that bad. That's actually quite healthy if we get a pullback to that level. Alright. But just for the sake of not freaking too many people out, I don't wanna. I say let's call for a 7,400 Bitcoin. Let's pull back to that level. You know, that would be good. I would really enjoy that actually. I would definitely be buying some more. But yeah, that's Bitcoin. Yeah, so just want to touch on a couple things that I'm involved in. Tron Wow. So this is a DApp on the Tron blockchain. They're back basically. So they lost a lot of volume recently. They went really low. Almost everybody abandoned the space, but for whatever reason, the price is back. Well, not back, but it's showing life. All right, so I'm gonna keep an eye on this platform. If you're interested in Tron Wow, links in the description. All right. There's also Blaze. This is another awesome DApp on the Tron blockchain. This is one of those that stood the test of time. All right, and very popular right now. It's the Blaze economy. So there's a bunch of things just packed into this. A number of ways you can make money. You have the Blaze machine here. You bet high, low, and you win a certain amount of points. Then you can buy and sell the points for Tron. All right, and then the market is dynamic because it goes up and down. All right, so you have to pick the best time to buy and sell, and depending on how you play that, you'll be profitable over time. All right, and then you also get the Blaze token, and there's also King. King is a brand new game. Basically, you challenge a king by putting up a certain amount of money. I don't know exactly how King works. I have to look into it some more. But this is a very interesting game, and the way it is designed that you can actually be profitable in this game and earn. You can be profitable very quickly, basically. Right, so you can start earning Tron right away, and you start earning the Blaze token, and having that token and freezing it allows you to collect daily dividends. So it's just an amazing platform. All right, so guys, so you can check that out too. Links in the description. Winzy, I just got into Winzy. All right, so I don't know too much about them. I know there are a couple YouTubers that are into it, so that's what kind of drew my attention to it. And they deal in multiple different tokens, so you can deposit any one of these tokens here, and they will trade it for you, and they will give you a certain amount of percentage every day. And it actually fluctuates. It's real trading going on. You can actually see you can get a record of the trades that are taking place. But yeah, this is definitely worth checking out, guys. Not financial advice, but I'm definitely gonna be investing in this. There's also Coinz. Very, very interesting platform, and they're getting a lot of penetration across the globe right now. Very big in Asia right now. They have a number of packages. They have the 121%. You get that after 2 weeks. You have the 5.5 daily. You get that. You make ROI in 6 weeks. There is the 7% daily. You make ROI in 6 weeks. So very interesting. I am liking this 2 weeks one. You get your money back in 2 weeks with a 21% increase, and you get paid in Bitcoin, by the way. You don't get paid in US dollar, so you do get to enjoy the increase or the decrease in profit, in value, I should say, of Bitcoin. All right, but decrease really doesn't matter that much, because we all know where Bitcoin is going, where it has to go. Basically, it has to go much higher because of its value. It's nowhere close to its actual value as yet, so it's a win-win. So yeah, so this is a very, very interesting platform. I have 2 positions in the 121%. All right, so just $50 I have with them. But I've been able to enjoy the gains in value of Bitcoin. So you put in Bitcoin, you get Bitcoin back out, and you get the Bitcoin value. So it's not like they're just measuring it in US dollars and it's going to pay you back that amount in Bitcoin value. No, you get to enjoy the gains of Bitcoin also, which is very awesome. All right, guys. So that's about it for today. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you found any value in this video, please like, subscribe. Really appreciate all of that. And yeah, and as a disclaimer, I keep wanting to remind you guys of this. This is a very risky space. All right, so and a lot of it is also very experimental. So do not invest more than you can afford to lose. If you are investing money that you can't afford to lose, you're taking on too much of a risk, in my opinion. If you want to be safe, just buy some Bitcoin, put it down, and forget about it. Buy Bitcoin, buy Litecoin, just put it down. At the moment, if you really understand finance and what's going on across the globe, you will know that you're actually being irresponsible by not purchasing cryptocurrency at this very moment. All right, you are asleep, and I can promise you that no matter how much time goes by, you can look back at this video and remember I said that you are asleep if you are not paying attention to cryptocurrencies right now. All right, it is extremely irresponsible and naive, and you are following the masses, and the masses are always wrong. All right, guys, well, that's my video for today. Thanks for checking it out. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Peace.